So we were fortunate enough to get connected with Judd at Asphalt Kingdom, and it's been a blessing, so to speak. You know, you gotta network, you gotta make connections out there, and then when you find somebody that has the same kind of passion and same kind of insight as you do, it really helps move things along. Asphalt Kingdom has this amazing program, and it helped us meet the owner of this business here and get us lined up. And they've been there by our side the whole time throughout this whole job. Any little issues that arise, we've been able to get them on the phone, and they've been able to make things happen for us, even if it meant, you know, lining up material for us and helping negotiate those ends, or if we had an issue with our machine, you know, we just reached out to them and they are right on it for us. It's kind of amazing because we're, you know, 700-800 miles away from home. We don't have everything with us because we can't bring all that stuff with us from our shop all the way out here to the job site all the time. And you never know exactly what you'll need or not need, but knowing you can pick up the phone and you have that person there looking out for you and you get everything taken care of, it's a wonderful thing.